Yo, what's going on? This is PZ's vlog.
Welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while. I've been dealing with some family stuff. I know I said that in the last video. It's just the severity of it is I still don't want to share that information just yet. When I can film, I can film, and I appreciate it if you guys understand where I'm at and the situation that I'm in. So we are actually right now, this certain YouTuber posted something online yesterday, and I haven't seen him since H2O like 2 years ago. 2 hours out right now, and then we're going to be there to pick up certain things. You look so artsy right now, PZ.
Orange?
Artsy.
Artsy?
I got an energy cold brew. I'm hyped up. I'm ready to go. Yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little bit once we get closer to the area that we need to go.
You always do like bridge things.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't.
Directions, man.
Woo!
Dirt track.
Oh, look.
It's in there. That was a bunch of drift cars.
It's probably Jimmy's.
Oh, you saw that leave?
Nice. What's up, buddy? Long time no see.
What are we going for here?
How you been? Yeah, I didn't know what we were going for. What's going on? PZ, Jimmy, PZ.
Yo, can your little Asian butt fit in those things?
I probably don't know.
Let me see.
You want to see this real quick?
Butt check. Suck it in. How we fit?
Those are really tight.
Yeah. China special, baby.
If I take the pads out, that'd probably work.
They're really that small on you?
No, they're not that small. But I also had like burrito bowl and all
I was
that.
like, you're getting thick.
Yeah, I'm getting real thick. H2O thick.
H2O thick, he
You know
says.
what? I don't need to run harnesses. That's how tight these are.
Oh, nice.
They'll feel great. You know what? Works out.
Perfect.
Thank you. Just send it.
If I break it, you're still gonna buy it, right?
They are tight.
So I have like...
If you fit in those, I'm actually kind of jealous.
I mean, like,
Because they're going to hold.
I'll never put the cheeks all the way back. But if I went for a ride along, I could be in there.
Yeah. So Jimmy's gonna give me this car, and then I'll sell the Vette.
Let's just pass off for the day.
Yeah?
I want to drive a Vette so bad.
Do you?
Yeah, I think it'd be cool. I mean, I don't want to own a Vette, but I want to drive a Vette.
Okay. All right. All right. I feel that.
We need New Balances.
Oh, yes.
New Balances.
I gotta cut the grass real quick too, so they get the little green stains on them.
I don't know if you're gonna fit in that car though.
I probably won't. Not in those seats.
You're like, we'll have to take the T-top off because you're tall.
That's cool. I mean, that's why I got two T-top cars. You know, just take the T-top off.
Nah, this is just like really sick. This car, which one's Street Series? This one?
Yeah, so I was doing this in Street Series, and then like I'll probably be using the E30 now for Street Series. It's like way less power, but it's like really fast chassis. You know what I mean? So like the drivetrain isn't fast, but the chassis is fast. If that makes sense.
Do you need a cage for a Street Series?
Nope.
Will they allow me in the Vette? Because it's not Japanese.
Yeah, I guess so. Like, you read
Yeah?
the requirements. Yeah. So you don't have like a fuel cell or anything, do you?
No.
Then you're good to go.
I mean, I got rep seats now.
Hell yeah, perfect.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's it. Oh, did you hit the barrel that day?
No,
Okay, because I remember someone hit the barrel and Chris was, yo, fuck, these things are expensive.
Yeah, that's why he said he started filling them up with water because the sand was too hard to fucking fill.
Yeah, that's funny.
Special thanks to Jimmy, we actually got seats now. I'm pumped. They're red, they look good, they'll work. We'll just send it. Hopefully we could test over the weekend.
JDM as fuck, bro.
Sit in those, can you fit?
Which one?
You definitely can't fit in that one.
Oh, dude, this is too tight. You stretch them out.
That's fine.
You know, just sit them on the way home. Just like put them on the
Yeah, just like that.
We're gonna put them in the... Dude, brand new, look at the saran wrap on it. But special thanks to Jimmy. We got some seats for the Vette for right now, just temporary until the DND ones come in. And then, yeah, these will be in PZ's cars right after. We're putting them right in the back seat. You want to sit in them? On the way there? You know, we only have like another 3-hour trip home.
Ah, why'd you have to say that?
But check this thing out.
Yo, Tri-State, what's up?
Oh, dude, there's a Supra in there.
Yo, door was wide open. I could have just hopped in and got it.
Yeah?
What are they gonna do? Probably shoot me, cause you know.
What shop is that?
I'm not sure.
What's going on, guys? We are actually getting the Vette ready. We're gonna test the Vette tomorrow. We have a lot of work to do. Still catching up on some vinyl. We're still catching up on orders. So bear with us as, yeah, we're just trying to do just about everything for the last minute Friday prep for tomorrow. We are, right now, I'm just adjusting the toe on the car because ever since we lowered the car, we kind of just put us a little towed out really quick. So we dropped the suspension by like just ½ inch. We raised the rear just so we could run the 265 or 275s up there. So we're just gonna get the alignment situated and then we can go from there, load this car on the trailer, and I don't have to worry about it later. So yeah, we're looking forward to spending time with Chris Knapp at Englishtown Raceway Park tomorrow. So we wanna make sure that we don't run into any other complications besides the stuff that I already know. Jersey! What up, bro? Let them know.
DriftVette 101, baby. What we gonna do tomorrow?
We're about to slide this shit.
About to slide this shit.
Zip ties everywhere, baby.
You know what it is. You know what it is.
Alright guys, so we're all loaded up. Obviously, brand new Kansai wheels, KMPs. We're gonna bring those, some Falcon tires, and we're gonna try and shred. What?